Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna look at the vocabularies that are beginning with this simple word pen. I know a lot of people know what's the meaning of this simple word. It's a tool for writing something on the paper. But there are many complicated ones, there are many easy-peasy ones, and there are many funny ones. So it's a great idea to master some of these expressions and words. With this video, you can just enhance your English vocabularies and also your fluency. Okay, are you guys ready? Let's get the ball rolling! Alright, let's go with our first word, is pension. I know it's a common word for anyone at any age. However, I just want to start my video with the easy ones. Okay, pension is a money paid regularly each month by government to someone who is retired and also who is too old. For instance, my granny is a pensioner. Yeah, absolutely she is. Alright, let's go with our next word. 2 is pensive. It's an adjective form of word. Meaning is thinking about something deeply. Instead of just saying all the time, I think, you can change think with pensive. I'm pensive. For instance, what are you pensing about? I'm pensing about my future. Oh, hold on, come back. Alright, let's go with the next one. 3 is pendant. I reckon you have never met this word before, but I want to make it clear for you guys. That means it's a feeling when you realize you're seen or fall towards someone. For instance, teacher, I owe you an apology for being pendant, sorry. Our fourth word is pence. It's a small British coin and unit of money. There are 100 pence in 1 pound. The plural of pence is pennies, alright? Let's go with the next one. Number 5 is panellist. Oh yeah. Actually, this word has connection with the previous word, pence. That means instead of having no money, absolutely no money, or person who has no money and regarded as broke as well. Pulu yok adamlara değil ya. Let's go with the number 6 quickly. Next word is pen friend and also pen pal. But I'd rather say the word pen pal because I love the word pal. That means friend, same as friend. Person that you make friends with writing by letters, especially via social medias. Yani internetin üstüyle tanışıp, gepleşip, kuruluşan dostlarına pen pal ya da pen friend deyip bilirdim. Let me give you an example. Man, I've got lots of friends on Instagram and also on YouTube. And you are also my pen friends because you already subscribe my YouTube channel and you always like my every videos. Thanks a lot, friends, and let's continue. Our 7th word will be, I think 7th. Oh yeah, 7th. 7th word is penalty. You know, it's a common word for football fans. That means it's a punishment for breaking a law, rule, or contract. I've got a brilliant example, but I will tell you in the next one. Hang tight. The word number 8 is penalize. The definition is punish or judge someone for breaking a law. Let me give you my brilliant example. Some students disobey the rules of school. They bring phones with themselves and they wear this and that, and they are kind of making penalties for themselves. But our teachers, especially head of school, penalize those kind of guys. Yeah, and actually they deserve it. The next word is pendant. Actually, when I say the word pendant, I imagine something that is too expensive, especially jewelries. The definition is a piece of jewelry hangs from a chain worn around the neck. For instance, my granny used to have many pendants, but mind you, she sold them the other day. Probably the day when she sold them was a very good day, I think. Alright, let's go with our next word. And our 10th word is penetrate. That means go into or through something. For instance, the snow penetrated the holes of my shoes. Oh, thank goodness we are about to finish our video. Our word is penthouse. That means a very luxurious, a very expensive and also comfortable flat or set of rooms at the top of the buildings. Alright? And the last but not least is penury. That means people who are extremely poor, or it can also be a state of having no money. Actually, this is a word, synonym of the word of penniless that we have mentioned a short time ago. We came to the end of this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. That's very important. I love you all and take it easy, guys.